If I get burned from this product, I'm suing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video that was requested. I actually introduced you guys to this Nair hair removal cream product that I picked up at Ulta, and you guys wanted to know,
does this stuff work? Is it good? Is it better than shaving?
And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have no idea. I've never used Nair before. I've always been very skeptical and also very scared that it was gonna burn me or just like leave marks or leave redness because I am super sensitive. But a girl that I follow on Instagram kind of made me jump on the bandwagon a little bit because she said that she uses this for her bikini area, and she says it like gives you the most flawless looking hair removal look. I am trying to get bikini snatched this summer, so we're not gonna have any hair going on down there. So since we are keeping this video pretty PG, we are going to be doing shaving on one side of the arm and then doing the Nair on the other side of the arm to see how good is this product. So if you guys like these videos from me, make sure that you subscribe down below so that you guys can see more of my face, of course. And also follow me on Instagram. I will put it somewhere here on the screen. I always let you guys know when I'm going to be uploading, and you guys know all the tea on there. So make sure you follow me ASAP. And let's get into the video. So let me just read you guys the directions before getting started. So it says, read the warning section before use. Can be used on arms, underarms, legs, and bikini area. To apply the cream outside of the shower, which is what I am doing today, it says skin must be dry before application. Unplug, pump, and turn counterclockwise to dispense the cream onto smooth side of the dry sponge. So there is like a rigid side on the sponge, and then there's a smooth side, so I'm guessing that's what it wants you to do, is put it on the smooth side. Do not rub in.
Repeat until the entire area where the hair to be removed is covered. Wait at least 1 minute before showering.
It says on here that the longest time that you should have it on for is 10 minutes, so I'm probably gonna do my arm hair for like 5 to 6 minutes because it's not like that thick. I don't know, I would be worried to have it on for 10. Pat dry gently, rinse the sponge, and replace the plug.
Replace the plug.
What does it say?
Replace the plug. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what my arms look like hairy, because sis, they're pretty hairy. Now that you guys have seen the hairiness of my arms, we are going to put the shaving cream on one side. I am very, very, very curious, guys, like which one works better. I've been shaving my whole life. I prefer shaving the most. I just feel like it does the job better than other alternatives in my opinion. Like I have tried waxing and things like that, and I just feel like it is just better than those. But we're gonna see if it's better than the Nair today. I go in an upright motion, rinse my razor, and then I just keep going until all the hair is off. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have a lot of hair going on my arm. So it feels good, it feels smooth, it's very silky and soft. I have to dispense a very thick layer on the smooth side of the sponge and then put it onto my arm. Guys, I'm literally petrified. What do you guys think? Is that a lot? Okay, so I'm going to apply it to my arm. Guys, I'm so scared. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's on my nails. It's gonna burn off my nails. I don't know. Is that a thick layer? Like, I don't... It smells kind of funky, I'm not gonna lie. It reminds me of like the smell of like relaxer, but like a little bit milder than the smell of relaxer, because relaxer, you already know, it smells up a whole room. I'm so fucking scared. Did I just put that on my face? I have to use the bumpy side to rub it off in 6 minutes. Set timer for 6 minutes. You guys want to do this for leg hair that's super long or something else that's long, obviously you guys can leave it on for the full 10 minutes, but like I said, my arm hair is not long and crispy and thick, and it don't need to be on there for 10 minutes. Plus, this is my first time using it, so we're not trying to burn off our arm today. Okay guys, update. I have about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left of the Nair situation, and it kind of feels weird. It doesn't sting, but it definitely feels like a cooling, weird effect on the arm. Something definitely not comfortable. I can't tell if it stings. Like, it's not like a sting, like a, it's like a deep penetrating, weird sting. I don't know if I put this on my lady parts. She's sensitive. I feel like I'm dead. I just want to take it off. Yay! I take the bumpy side and ooh. And just rinse it off now. That's what you're supposed to do. So I'm just gonna go in the sink and do that. It smells so bad. I don't know if I'd want this on my cookie. Holy shit! It worked! It worked. That looks really good. So something that I noticed right off the bat was that the Nair definitely felt silky and smooth, so that argan oil that is infused in it, yes, I definitely feel it. So my skin doesn't feel like super dry. I'm going to just put on my Lush American Body Conditioner. It's so good. It smells really good, but okay, so it definitely worked. It did feel weird. I'm not used to it, but maybe I can get used to it. It's not like something that I can see myself not getting used to. I don't know if I would put it on my privates. The hair down there grows a little bit thicker than your arms, so I don't know if I would do that, but I might give it a try. I might give it a whirl. If you guys want me to do that, I'm not going to do it on camera, but if you guys want me to do that and update you guys, let me know down below. I obviously would not do that on camera, but I would update you guys. The consensus is Nair definitely works. So guys, everyone in my house has felt my arm since I filmed this video, so I wanted to kind of put this in right now. I made everybody feel arm 1 and arm 2, and everybody thinks that the Nair side feels so much softer, smoother, and just better. I 100% agree, so I wanted to kind of fill you guys in on that now. Shaving works too, so it honestly depends on what you're feeling. The Nair impressed me, I'm not gonna lie guys, I was very impressed. So it all depends on what you guys are feeling that day. Let me know down below if you guys have used Nair or wax, or what do you guys prefer? Do you guys like shaving? I love shaving, but this might be a game changer. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching till now. I love you guys, and I will see you then. Mwah.